Hello, wonderful life scientists. It is week 8. This is the first day. Today's focus, or this week's focus, is going to be on LS.11, D, and E. Hope you guys have been doing well, and let's get started. So, the 5 E's of week 8. First one being the engage portion. This is where you're going to be looking at 3 pictures. You're going to be looking at them individually, but then all together, you want to try and make a connection between those 3. Next, you're going to explore by having a fun activity using tiger masks and decorating those masks. We'll talk more about that once we get along with the video. Third, with our explain portion, we're going to be looking at a video on endangered species and deforestation. And then lastly, for 4 and 5, there is going to be a water life, sea turtles, and the quest to nest game that you guys can play, as well as a saving endangered species propaganda project that you guys can do. Now, for extend and evaluate, you can actually blend those together with day 2 and 3, and I'll talk more about that again on day 2. So let's get started. So for day 1, here's what we're trying to hit today. First thing, you're going to be observing those 3 pictures, making that connection between all 3 pictures. And then lastly, with your hands-on activity, you're going to be decorating tiger masks with me. So at this point, make sure that you keep your student workbooks handy so that way you can fill in your notes, write down your thoughts as we move along throughout these pictures, as well as our tiger mask project. So for this tiger picture, I of course want you to write down what you see, write down what you're thinking when you were looking at this beautiful organism, and then write down 3 things that you wonder about this organism. You can pause this video at any time. You can go at your own pace. But at this moment, I'm going to move on to the next picture. Now, this next picture is a photo taken of a portion of a rainforest. What I want you to do is tell me what you see, tell me what you think about when you look at this picture, and tell me 3 things that you're wondering after looking at this picture. Now the last photo. So this picture is going to be of the rainforest locations on the planet. Everything that's highlighted in green, those are all places where you can find rainforests in our world. So what I want you to do now is, of course, tell me what you see, tell me what you think, and tell me what you wonder about when looking at this picture. Now, the very last part of the chart, I want you to try and make that connection. Let me move my cell first. There we go. I want you to make this connection. Using the 3 images that you've seen, how are they all related to each other? The tiger, the picture of that portion of the rainforest, and the locations of all rainforests found on our planet. What do you think we're trying to get at here? How can you fit all of those 3 things together? If you were to make a sentence, or if you were to make a picture, how would you put that all together into one? Pause at any moment. Make sure that either you type this down in your student workbook or you write it down if you have it printed, and then we're going to move on. So the tiger masks. This project starts off with our beautiful tigers and this information about them. The stripes on a tiger are unique to that individual tiger alone. There are over 100 stripes on the body of a tiger. No 2 tigers will ever have the same stripe pattern. In your student workbooks, you have a copy of the tiger mask that you can decorate in any way that you want. For example, one of my students from previous years has decorated hers with black spots all throughout her mask with a red nose, red mouth, and red ears, and then kept the entire place orange. It looks beautiful, it looks great, and she's also wearing a second mask that she's created that is more brown and pink. You can do whatever you want with it. You can put any, let's say, any stripes, any patterns, any shapes that you want, any colors that you want. Creative freedom is all yours for this project. Now, to help out with your decorations, here's a video of me decorating my own mask using my computer. Now, to help your creative juices flowing, here's a video of me decorating my own mask. You can decorate alongside me, or you can do this on your own, at your own time, whenever throughout this week. Okay, so thank you guys for watching that. You can repeat that if you're still working on your mask, but here's what's next for day 2. In day 2, you will hear and learn more about the scientific terms that are associated with LS11D and E. You will also be writing or typing your notes down as you watch and review the presentation. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day. Bye-bye.